And today we're going to be working on another DIY. You got it, Dollar Tree style. Cause you know how your girl likes to ball out on a budget. Today we are going to be working on the Forever Roses box. And if you're new here, I want to welcome you to my channel. I invite you to click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Wish you all a happy, healthy, and blessed new year. 2020 has been hell. So let's hope better things are awaiting us in 2021. Stick with me. Let's get into it. First thing I want to do is I want to glue some of these tower games together. And then glue them to the bottom of the box. And then we're going to glue the box top. I glued them inside the box top. And then I'm going to glue our box into the top. And I put the tower blocks there just because I like to sit up a little bit higher than where it sits. And there we have it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to let this dry for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and spray paint our little candle holder. And before I spray painted this, I went on and cleaned the glass with some alcohol. The next thing I want to do is I want to give this box a little razzle dazzle. So what I'm going to do is use some Mod Podge. Maybe enough. And I'm going to mix that with some glitter. And that should give our box a nice little shimmery shine, which is what I want. I put 2 coats of silver Rustoleum Metallic Silver spray paint onto our candle holder and allowed that to dry. I am simply taking our bunches of roses that we got from the dollar store and cutting those down to size. And I'll retain the greenery because I make them approximately the same size and then just go ahead and cut them. And these are all the ones that I've done already. So those are ready to go as soon as our Now I also bought these Dollar Tree vases. And I'm going to use these as candle holders. And I'm going to put them on a base. Very simple project. So we're going to clean everything up with the alcohol like I showed you. Remove the labeling and then move on. This is called Goof Off. It helps a lot to remove those adhesive labels, which can be kind of hard to get off sometimes. So I put a couple of sprays on that, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then it is taking some masking tape and make sure that it's well stuck to the edges so that your lines will come out crisp. So I did my own little design with stripes on one, vertical stripes, and then this one has horizontal stripes. So we're going to go ahead and give that a light coat. So let's continue with our project. So I put 2 coats of Rustoleum Metallic Silver on these, and then I put a 3rd coat of Rustoleum lacquer. It's a high lacquer coating, and that will protect it, especially if you have these in the kitchen or anything like that. And I did the same thing on our vases, and everything is dry to touch. So let's go ahead and peel back our. I went on and removed the tape and cleaned my vases, and it came out pretty good. And I wasn't too happy that my lines didn't come out well, but I'm gonna show you what I do to fix that. And I also did the same thing on the bases, and I forgot to show you this. This is a little top that I got from a jar, a dollar store jar, and I could only find one, unfortunately, and that's kind of cute, the jar itself. But I wanted to use it for the tall canister. So I also did the same thing with a combination of E6000 to really give me a nice hold, and then some hot glue. What I'm using, I didn't show you that, is Dollar Tree Pearl Wrap. So you know what I'm saying? Just try different things. Try different ways of doing things, you know. See what you like, see what you don't like. You might say, oh, I like Courtney's idea, but my color is red. So I want to do mine with red beading. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Do it according to your preference, your color scheme that you have in your home, and make it go with your decor. It's just an idea, but you take the idea and run with it and make it your own. Add a generous amount of E6000 glue to this because we want that to stick and we want it to stay until we're ready for it to come off. And then I use hot glue as well, because hot glue will make an immediate seal, but then when that E6000 dries, that's what's going to give you a permanent seal there. So I press that down for a few minutes just to let that hot glue set up, and then I'll leave that to dry for 24 hours and I won't touch it at all. So I didn't have any floral foam, but I did have a piece of upholstery foam. So I'm just going to use that inside. You should just continue to place these roses very close together in the box until the whole box fills up. So I'll come back and here is our completed Forever Roses and Canister set. I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create one of your own. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Happy New Year to you all, and thanks for watching.